been loving this ride. I call it my second favorite raft ride. I think I would rate Grizzly River Rapids at California's Adventure a little bit better, but the theming here is amazing. What they did to this flat part of ground is awesome. Woo! Got a little wet there. But I love the technology of this ride. I was very skeptical about if the lift would work properly. And granted, we only have like 2 hours experience, so, you know, but it's been working flawless for us, so. I love the design of the lift hill, how, you know, it's artistic looking and all that stuff. I mean, most of that is not functional whatsoever. Part of it holds the walkway up, but that's about it. There you go, a little drippy drip there. Let's take a look at that drop. Here we go, second run. Oh, look at that. Get to watch it go up this time. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh yeah, there's our ride. Coming down. Oh, we're going to spin. Which way we're going to be going? We're going to be going backwards. Go up the waterfall. Look at all that. Here we go, backwards down the drop. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah. And as far as wetness goes, I mean, I'm wet, but like, well, after 5 rides, I'm definitely soaked completely. But it took 5 rides to finally get completely soaked.